The new Karcher KB5 cordless sweeper is the perfect solution to that everyday tidy. Suitable for both hard floors and carpets, the KB5 is lightweight and easy to use all round the home. The automatic start-stop system and flexible cleaning joint makes the KB5 simple to use and perfect for getting right up to the edge and into all those hard-to-reach places. With a large capacity dust tray, the KB5 is ideal for picking up fine dirt and larger items such as children's food or pet hair. Once finished, the dust tray is easy to empty, and the simple charging solution means it's always ready to use. The Karcher KB5 comes with a 2-year warranty.
The recognized workhorse polisher in the industry just got even better. Introducing the 7-inch Makita rotary polisher. This new 7-inch polisher includes several innovative features, including rubberized gear housing and loop handle to help protect delicate surfaces from damage, wire mesh intake covers to prevent wool fibers from entering the motor, and improved cord guard for increased flexibility and longer life. And of course, all the same features remain that have earned this tool legacy status, including an electronic controller that provides variable speed, soft start, and constant speed control. With several new features and increased durability, the 9237C polisher remains the choice of industry professionals.
I've been using the Makita polisher for many years. The new one's out. I really like the new one. The new easy handle, you can use it, it's very versatile. So between the cord extension, your vents, your rubber handle, it's a great machine all the way around.
Your lack of sleep is killing you. Sleeping only 7 hours a night increases the risk of heart attack by 100%. 6 hours of sleep increases the risk of breast cancer by 62%. At 5 hours of sleep, the risk of being overweight increases by 73%. What if you could fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and sleep longer? You can. Through Sleep Genius, a revolutionary program that treats what controls our sleep, the human brain. Following our research, helping NASA get astronauts to sleep, Sleep Genius was created by the world's leading authorities in neuroscience, sleep, and music to tune your brain into natural sleep rhythms. Sleep Genius Music engages the brain's sleep centers through 4 scientific components. Neurosensory algorithms help you fall asleep faster by triggering a motion-induced sensation, similar to a baby being rocked to sleep. Multi-band binaural beats train your brainwaves to match the stages of sleep, keeping you asleep longer. Pink noise blocks out distracting noises, relaxes your breathing, and lowers your heart rate. Psychoacoustic music is scientifically composed audio that prepares your brain to sleep, while standard white noise has been shown to have 0 effect on your brain sleep center. Sleep Genius combines 4 neuroscientific elements to deliver clinically proven results. Improve your mental and physical health, and wake up feeling refreshed with the world's most scientifically advanced sleep app, Sleep Genius.